Hi everyone. What I'm going to do just now is show you an example of how to create a macro. Initially I'll use an application called AutoHotKey, but that's just for simplicity so as you can actually see what's going on. After that I'll show you how to actually do it with Logitech G502. So let's skip this, and when we land, so it doesn't bring us out of our menu, I'll go into our shaders.
Prove yourself worthy,
Okay.
and I will grant you the means to true power.
Yeah, Carls. Okay, so we have our shaders here. Now, what you have to do to dismantle a shader is press and hold the F button, then let it go. Okay, and you get your 25 glimmer, or whatever you get. So, we now know what we have to recreate. We know that we have to press the F down, we have to hold it for about a second or so, and then we have to let it go. Okay, so like I said, we're going to create an AHK for AutoHotKey, and this is just basically for simplicity so as you can create your own keys later, okay, your own macros. And we will assign it to Control P, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a loop, which we'll do 200 times. This is an example, of course. We create our loop, and the first thing we do is we press the F key down. Second thing we've got to do is sleep for a certain amount of time. I've calculated it to be about 1500 milliseconds. It took a few attempts to get this, but once you know it, you can't get it wrong. Next, we let the F key up, and we sleep for 100 milliseconds to allow the server to tell us that we've gained 25 or whatever it is we've got. Close that off and send a return. Okay, so this return basically says this is the end of the script. We save that, and when we go into Destiny, if we run that script and hovered over, press Control P, it would start automatically getting rid of your shaders. Okay, so how do we translate this to the Logitech G502? So let me show you. Initially, you'll be on this page, and this should be set to onboard memory originally. What you have to do is click it to automatic game detection, and it creates a new icon here. Okay, so as you can see, we've got default profile, which allows me to do things like page up, page down, all that kind of stuff, DPI shift. But I've also got a Destiny 2 profile here. Okay, this is automatically built for you. You don't have to do anything. Once you run this software for the first time, it will automatically populate games that it thinks you have, and you'll have this list. Okay, so what we want to do here is create a new command for Destiny 2. We will do a multi-key, and we will record delays between the events, and we'll call it Destiny 2 shader function. Okay, you can call it whatever you want as long as you know what it means. And we start recording. We press the F key, after a while we'll let it go. Okay, and we stop recording. Now this delay is far too long, it should only be 1500 milliseconds, so we change that to 1500, and on the repeat options we switch on toggle. Now this delay here is how long it will take before trying to do this macro again, so we want to put in 100 here. This is actually, like I say, linked to your ping to the Destiny server. If you have a bad ping, up this delay to whatever you need. So if it's 100 to the server and 100 back, just change this to 200. And we just click add. Close this, and we have a Destiny 2 shader function. I'll assign it to this mouse button here, and that's it. Okay, if we go into Destiny now and press that button, click that again to stop it because I don't want to get rid of the desert gold, although I don't really like indigo matrix, so let's get rid of all of them apart from 5. Press the button and away it goes. Easy peasy. In fact, we'll leave it at 6. Okay, so 7 and click again. That's it, stopped. So, I hope you enjoyed that introduction, and in the next video I'll also show you how to do Titan skating, how to create a macro for that, how to switch it on, how to switch it off. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed and I hope it helps.